Yeah, here the problem is, draw the projections of a circular cylinder base 35 mm diameter and 65 mm long. So here the geometry of the cylinder is 35 mm diameter and 65 mm axis long. When it is resting on its rim in such a way that its axis makes an angle of 30 degrees, that is theta is given, and the top view of its axis, please make note that the top view of its axis, that means here it is a beta to the VP. So beta is given, theta is given, so need not to calculate again beta. So directly we can proceed with the problem. So here XY line, and then here it is vertical plane, horizontal plane. Now here you can see, so that it is a cylinder of base 35 mm and axis 65 mm long, and it is resting with its rim, and the axis is making an angle of 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. So whenever we are going to see from the front view, this complete surface will be visible, and then back side will be half circle will visible and half circle invisible, right? So here this is the simple step, that is first step, right? So the axis is perpendicular to the HP and parallel to the VP, right? So this is the top view and the front view of the problem when it is in first stage, and then we are going to rotate these particular rectangular surface at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. That is the second position. And then in final position, this is the second position. So whenever we are going to see from the top view, the surface ABCD surface will be completely visible, and then 1 2 3 surface will be half visible and half invisible. Now we are going to rotate it, so like this. So now we are going to rotate it. Here this is the angle. Here this is the way how we need to rotate it, and this ABCD surface will be completely visible, and then this surface will be incompletely, that is invisible, right? So first stage, second stage top view, and then second stage, third stage top view, and then third stage front view. You can rotate these either this way or this way. You can choose any one way. So here this is the top view, and then here you need to divide these into number of equal parts. Let us say 4 equal parts. A of 1, because of it's a cylinder, it's not a cone. If it is a cone, ABCD, then center we will have a O, right? So here it is B of 2, C of 3, D of 4. Then you need to project all of them towards the upwards until it touches to the vertical plane, that is XY line. Then here we will have a front view about the axis (65 mm) long, diameter 35, and then height 65. Then here it is A dash, D dash of B dash, C dash, 3 dash, 4 dash of 2 dash, 1 dash. Right here, now the center axis is perpendicular to the HP. Now we are going to rotate at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. Then take the distance of 4 dash of 3 dash and then mark it on the same line. Then draw the perpendicular line. Then the side, so which is equal to the 65 mm. Here the center axis is 30 degrees. So here 3 dash, 4 dash of 1 dash, and then 4 dash of 2 dash, 1 dash, A dash, D dash of B dash, and then C dash. Now whenever we are going to see from the top view, so there will be a ABCD surface will be completely visible, and 1, 2, 3, 4 surface will be half visible and half invisible. Now we need to project all of them towards the downwards. Right, so now 1 dash and 1 intersecting point, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Now here I have already told that ABCD surface will be completely visible, so that, and then here it is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 4 and 1, 2 circle will be visible, and then 2, 3, 3, 4 circle will be invisible. 2B, 1A, 4D. So here this is the second stage, top view. Now the axis is parallel to the VP. We are going to rotate that axis at an angle of 45 degrees to VP. Right, as it is, box should be replaced at an angle of 45 degrees. The center axis. (45 degrees). then here the perpendicular line, right, 1 2 line like this. So then draw the as it is diagram. Right, here it is, the first half will be here it is 1 base point C, that is 3. Here it is 2 4 B C and then D. So whenever we are going to see from the top view, right, సో ఇది రొటేట్ అయిన తర్వాత, ఇది కంప్లీట్గా ఇలా రొటేట్ అయిన తర్వాత టాప్ వ్యూ నుంచి చూస్తే ఏబిసిడి సర్ఫేస్ విల్ బి కంప్లీట్లీ విజిబుల్. Base side is incompletely visible. Remaining reference lines should be deleted, and then here this is the 45 degrees inclination of that particular axis, beta is given. So now we are going to project all the points towards the upwards. Horizontal lines from the each and every one. So here we will get the 1 2 3 surface, here 1 and 1 intersecting point, 1 dash, and then 2 dash intersecting point, 2 dash, and then 3 dash intersecting point, 3 dash, and then 4 dash intersecting point, 4 dash, and then A intersecting point, A dash, D dash, B dash, and then finally C. Here this is the C. Now we know that whenever we are going to see from the front view that these surface is visible, and then this surface will be invisible, and then the ABCD surface will be completely visible because of it is nearer to the observer. Now 3C, 4D is visible, and this is the hidden line, right? So here this is the finalized front view and the finalized top view of the given problem. Thank you.